Start the atlanto-axial complex. Atlanto-axial complex. In this first one, see here we will be having occipital bone, skull bone. Here we will be having first cervical vertebra, and then here we will be having second cervical vertebra. So the combination of these three is nothing but atlanto-axial complex. So here C1 vertebra name is nothing but atlas, C2 name is axis. So these two vertebra structures are different from the C3 to C7. So C3 to C7 vertebra structure will be in one manner, and C1 C2 structures will be different manner. Now we'll see, this is the atlas, this is atlas. So this is the first cervical vertebra. So this is the superior view, this is the superior view, this is the oblique, this is the oblique view, this is lateral view of the atlas, lateral view of the atlas. So if we see atlas, here there is no body for the atlas, there is no body. Suppose if we take, it will be like this, vertebra should be like this. So but here there is no body in the cervical spine. First one atlas, there is no body for the first cervical vertebra, and at the same time here there is no spinous process, there is no spinous process, and entire vertebra is shape is like a ring like shape. Entire vertebra shape is like a ring like shape, and at the same time here we will be having four articular surfaces. These top two articular surfaces for the occipital bone. So top two for the occipital bone, and down two for the second one axis. So these are the top articular faces for the occipital bone. This down articular faces for the axis. So second cervical vertebra, and then here top one articular faces. These articular faces will be concave shape, so that it is going to articulate with the convex occipital condyles, and down articular faces. Down these articular faces will be convex shape. So these are going to articulate with the concave articular surface of the axis nothing but second cervical vertebra. So these are going to articulate with the second cervical vertebra axis. Here if we take atlas, this is anterior ring, this is posterior ring. In this anterior ring, here we'll be seeing one articular facet for the dens. Dens is nothing but, that will see axis. Dens is nothing but suppose this is C1. In this C1 we'll be having one articular facet for the dens. So if we take C2, so here in this C2 cervical vertebra, one bony prominence will come. This bony prominence is nothing but dens or odontoid process. So this dens is going to articulate here. So that's why one articular facet will be present toward the anterior ring. So this is anterior ring. In this anterior ring, see here internal surface of this is external, this is internal surface of the anterior ring will be having the articular facet for the dens. So this is about atlas. Now we'll see axis. This is second cervical vertebra. So here what are the specialties means? In atlas no spinous process, but here axis will be having spinous process will be there. It is little long spinous process will be there. It is a long spinous process will be there, and at the same time here superior articular facets will be there and inferior articular facets will be there. The superior articular facets which are present here, these are the largest superior articular facets in the entire cervical spine. So these are the largest superior articular facets entire cervical spine, and at the same time, so here the body. So here if you see the body of the, see this is the body of the atlas, body of the axis. The body of the axis will be having bony projection called the odontoid process, also called as dens. So here we should understand the spinous process will be there, body will be there, superior articular facets will be there, inferior articular facets will be there. At the same time, with the superior and inferior articular facets will be having one articular facet over the dens, to articulate with the atlas. See here, compare, here will be having articular facet for the dens, here dens also having articular facet. So these two can articulate. So this is about the atlas and axis. Now we'll enter into the atlanto-axial complex.